In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Clickup. Dashboards are a fantastic way to visualize your project's data, track progress, and manage your workflow all in one place. Whether you're using Clickup for personal tasks or collaborating with a team, creating a dashboard is an essential skill that can help keep everything organized and streamlined. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Dashboards hub in Clickup. If you're working in the Clickup interface, take a look at your sidebar. You'll find all the necessary navigation tools there. Find the section labeled Dashboards and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Dashboards hub where you can see any dashboards you've previously created, or as we're about to do, start a brand new one. Once you're inside the Dashboards hub, you'll notice a button labeled New Dashboard. Click that, and you'll be faced with your first decision. Do you want to use a pre-built template or start from scratch? If you're new to ClickUp or just want to save some time, templates can be a great option as they come pre-loaded with useful widgets and layouts. However, if you're looking for full customization, you might opt to start from scratch, adding only the widgets you need. Next, it's time to add widgets to your dashboard. Click on the plus Add Cards button to get started with this. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard and can display a variety of data and metrics to suit your needs. For instance, if you want to keep track of specific tasks, consider adding a task list widget. Want to visualize data over time? Add a chart widget which can display burn up or burn down charts, among others. If keeping track of important dates is crucial, use the calendar widget. To monitor how much time is being spent on tasks, add the time tracking widget. For tracking progress towards specific goals, the Goals widget is very handy. And for adding instructions or extra information, you can use the text block widget. Finally, keep an eye on activities such as mentions and task-related actions with the Activity widget. Now let's move on to customization and configuration. You can specify which data sources each widget should pull from by selecting appropriate spaces, folders, or lists. Tweak the settings for each widget to ensure you're getting the precise data and format you need. Arrange your dashboard by dragging and dropping widgets into your desired layout. For a personal touch, add some flair with colors, fonts, and even images to make your dashboard visually appealing. Finally, sharing and collaboration are key components of any project management tool. Share your dashboard with other users or teams within ClickUp to facilitate collaboration. This allows everyone involved to contribute to the dashboard's creation and management, ensuring collective efficiency and clarity. By following these steps, you will have crafted a customized dashboard in ClickUp that allows you to effectively track your projects, monitor your team's performance, and visualize your workflow, all crucial elements for successful project management.